Meaning of implacable.
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 Implacable. The word implacable refers to a person or thing that cannot be appeased or pacified. These individuals or circumstances are very stubborn and persistent in their views, opinions, or actions, and no matter how much effort is made to reach a compromise, it is always met with resistance. The result of encountering implacable people or situations can often lead to frustration, disappointment, and even conflict. It is important to seek alternative solutions or approaches when dealing with such circumstances, as trying to force change on an implacable entity can often prove fruitless.